Good afternoon, students. Now we are going to start a new lesson, and new lesson is gametogenesis. New lesson is gametogenesis in human. In human. First of all, what is gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is a process in which formation of gametes in the gonads. It means formation of gametes in gonads. It means in this process, yani gametogenesis process have the capacity of formation of gametes, and this process is known as gametogenesis. Formation of sperm and ova. For the gametogenesis process, first of all, formation of sperm, and sperm is formed by the testis, and ova is formed by the ovary. Through the spermatogenesis and oogenesis. It means gametogenesis have the both process, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. First of all, we are discussed here spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis in this process, formation of sperm by the testis is known as spermatogenesis. In vertebrates, one pair of testes are attached to the body wall by mesorchium, and each test is made up of thousands of tubules. Seminiferous tubules, and tubules are covered by the tunica propria. Inside of this is the outer layer. Inside of this layer, germini epithelium is formed by two types of cells. One is somatic cells, Sertoli cells, and second one is germ cells. Somatic or Sertoli cells provide support and nutrition to the sperm, and the head of the sperm embedded in it. The germ cell forms the sperm. Germ cells form the sperm, and somatic Sertoli cells provide the nutrition to the sperm. And seminiferous tubules remain separated by the leading cells. And leading cells secrete the male hormone. Testes act as a endocrine and exocrine structure. Endo and exocrine structure. In insect and nematodes, is process is talogenic. Talogenic means take place along with promixal of distal part. Spermatogenesis is completed in 74 days in humans. And it is completed into the two process. Spermatogenesis completed in the two steps. First is formation of spermatids. Formation of spermatids. And second, spermateleosis यानी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इनटू स्पर्म. ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इनटू sperm. First, formation of spermatids, and second, spermateleosis, transformation into sperms. First, formation of spermatids or formation of spermatid is also known as spermatocytogenesis. This process is in the animals begins after sexual maturity. And it is spermatids form primordial germ cells is performed in 3 steps. First step is multiplication phase. Second, growth phase, and third is maturation phase. In first step we can say multiplication phase. In this phase, spermatogonia are formed. In this process, undifferentiated primordial reproductive cells gives rise to new cells by the division of mitosis. And new cells is known as spermatogonia. And spermatogonia are diploid. And next one is growth phase. Second phase is growth phase. After the multiplication phase, spermatogonia, after taking nutrition, from the germ cells, become 2 times in size, and these are known as primary spermatocytes. spermatocytes which are also diploid. Rest of the spermatogonia remain as a additional stalk in seminiferous tubules. Growth phase is the longest phase. And third phase is maturation phase. The primary spermatocyte forms two haploid secondary spermatocytes. Primary spermatocytes divide into two secondary spermatocytes, and these spermatocytes are haploid, and by the reduction division means by first meiosis first division. The secondary spermatocytes divide by meiosis second. These secondary spermatocytes divide by this division of meiosis second, and secondary spermatocytes form two spermatids. It means one secondary spermatocytes formed two spermatids, and two haploid spermatocyte forms four haploid spermatids. Four haploid spermatids formed by four haploid spermatids are formed from diploid primary spermatocytes. This process is known as spermatogenesis, and next process is spermiogenesis, and this is start in the new class. Thanks. Have a nice day.